Hey y'all, so this is my very first car video and I'm on my way from work. I stopped at the gas station and something was like, you should do a video and you should do it now, because when you get home you're not going to get it done. And I've been planning to do this video to let you guys know, perhaps some of you already know, how rewarding YouTube is. YouTube is very much so rewarding. Okay, so I thought about a video. I got my very first YouTube payment and I was like, I think I should let my family know, my YouTube family know how rewarding this is. And don't sit on your talent, don't sit on your skills, don't sit on your gift, don't sit on that, because this could be something that rewards you for the rest of your life. It's like, I'm thinking about it and I'm like, YouTube is that retirement paycheck that's never going to run out. My very first YouTube payment, y'all. I've been on here for years. God knows how long I've been on here. But I've been consistently posting about, I want to say 2 to 3 years. When I first started, I posted here and there. I wasn't consistent. I never had no schedule. But then I got on it and I was like, I have to get these watch hours. I have to get these watch hours. And I gave myself the time frame to get the watch hours. And I got it. When you put in the work, YouTube is rewarding, y'all. Don't let nobody tell you anything. I'm here to tell you how rewarding YouTube is. I got my very first YouTube payment and I believe I can retire. I can retire and just be full-time on YouTube. You have to put in the work like any other job. You get up every morning, 4 o'clock. I get up at 3. I get up at 3. I am so grumpy when I get up. I am like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. But imagine me doing it for myself. Imagine me setting that schedule, the schedule that the job gives me, to be there on time, to be there this day and this time of the day. Imagine if I put that same work into my work, something that really do concern me, my very own vision, on here, on this platform. And I've been doing so for the past, like I said, 2 to 3 years. But lately I travel back home and I slack, okay? I stopped posting because life got very busy. But then when I got back to the US, I got a check from YouTube. And I was like, oh my God. I wasn't posting consistently. I wasn't doing the job. But that was a video from like 3 years ago that's giving me the check, and the rest of the other videos here and there. Give me a minute. So as I was saying, that was like a video that I posted, I want to say 2 to 3 years ago, and the rest of my other videos giving me the check here and there. Everybody on here can win. I'm here to encourage you. Start your channel. YouTube is the place for everybody. I have an Instagram page and I have about 28,000 followers. And I think I hit 1 million or a little over 1 million on a video, but did not get a dime or penny. Nothing. And I'm here on YouTube with almost 4,000 subscribers, 4,000 family members, I like to call you guys, and a video that is less than 60,000 views, and I'm getting a paycheck. I'm getting a check. I'm getting payment. YouTube is the retirement paycheck that is never going to run out. Don't sit on it, y'all. Don't sit on it. Pick up your phone. Pick up your smartphone. Do not worry about getting a fancy gadget. Don't worry about getting a fancy phone. Don't worry about getting a fancy camera. Don't worry about getting anything fancy. Nothing fancy. Because you can get all the fancy gadgets and what have you, and you're not getting the views. You're not getting the watch hours. That is going to be so discouraging. But start with your smartphone. Start with your smartphone. You can have an Android phone. Start. You can have the latest iPhone. Start. You can have the iPhone dating back to 4 or 5 years. Start. Record the videos. Be in the moment. I was in the moment. That's why I am recording. If I had gotten home, I was going to find like so many excuses to not record. So when you think about it, get on it. When you think about recording, get on it. Don't wait. Like I said, I'm sitting to the gas station. I don't want to get home because when I get home, I'm not going to be able to upload this video. I'm not even going to be able to record a video. So I have to record this video to put it out there so that it can be able to reach somebody to start your YouTube channel. I wasn't doing it consistently and I got paid. Imagine me doing it consistently. Imagine me having a schedule. And the only thing that I use to record is my phone. I have an iPhone 13 Pro. That's what I have to record. And that's what I do all my videos on. Nothing fancy. I've gotten my watch hours and I'm getting paid. If you don't start, you are missing on so many partnerships. You are missing on so many things. So many things. And I thought about it and I was like, my children could benefit off YouTube even when I'm not here. When I'm no longer here, they could benefit off this platform. And I really pray that God keeps YouTube, okay? I'm praying so hard that God keeps YouTube. If you're not the one to post your face or to record your face, you don't want to do it, there are so many options out there. So many videos that you can do that you don't have to show your face. I know that some people say, oh, I don't want to show my face. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. There are so many options out there. So many ideas. So many ways to create a video without showing your face. You don't have to show your face. I need to drink some water. I want to tell you that you can do it. You can do it. Get to the bag by starting your YouTube channel. And don't think like it's going to come very fast. For some people, it came faster than expected. For some, it won't come that fast. But be consistent. Because you know that it's going to be rewarding once you get your feet into the door. Start. Start with natural lighting. Some people say, I have to get this lighting. I need this. I need to buy this light and this and that. No, you don't. If you know me, I don't gatekeep. I don't gatekeep at all. I will tell you where to go, what to do, how to do it. If even you want me to do it for you, I'll do it for you. But when you're winning, don't gatekeep. Think about how you started so that you can be able to share your experience with somebody. And that is that exact experience or experiences that people are looking for on here. So pick up your phone, record how to do it. Clean with me, hair care, home decor, gaming, entertainment, food, whatever you are doing. Even if you are going to grocery shopping, you can record it and put it on YouTube. Start. I'm talking to you. Start. To go back home and come back to the US and get a check, that's unbelievable. And that's something I look forward to monthly. That is adding on to what I already have. Anything that's an add-on is a plus for me. Start that channel. If you feel like you don't want to be in a niche, it's okay. You don't have to be in a niche. If you are in a niche and it's been like over a year, or almost a year, and you still don't see the result that you want, pivot. Explore. Figure something out. There's so many things to explore, so many things to do. So many things to do. Start that channel, sis. Start that channel, bro. You can do it. I believe in you, and I know you can do it. Don't let the fanciness of social media get to your head. You wanted to be this way. I was in that box, and it slowed me down. I overthink so much whenever I'm recording a video. I wanted to be this way. I wanted to be that way, which is fine. But how far did it get me? Sometimes I will put a video, I will put my all into it, and then I have like 500 views. And the video that I really didn't do much, I just record and just did a few little bit of editing here and there, posted it, got way more views. Because I'm here overthinking when I could simply be doing what I'm supposed to do and be consistent. I got my first YouTube payment, y'all. You can get it too. We all can win on here. This could be the thing to butter our bread, to put sugar and cream in our coffee, or if you don't drink coffee, to put sugar and cream in your tea. This could be it. This could be it. Post that video. Don't overthink it. Like I said, if you don't, you're missing out on partnership with companies. Yep. With companies, with brands. You're missing out. Only because you are overthinking. So go ahead and post the video. And I will be checking in randomly, okay? I will be checking in on you guys. And like I said, I haven't been posting lately, but there are so many people, so many family members joining this channel. And I want to say welcome to you guys. Welcome. I really do appreciate you smashing that subscribe button. I really do. Thank you. Welcome to the family. People are still watching. Like I said earlier, there's a video I posted 2-3 years ago. I'm still getting income from that video. 10 years from now, I still will be getting income from that video. And I will pray for YouTube. I will pray for YouTube. Yes, I will. I will insert my payment here. It's not much, but I got something. I got something, and I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very happy. And it inspired me to go even harder. And I will go hard. Because I know I can do it. It's in me to do it. Any thought of procrastination, I'm going to put it behind me like I did today. I know sometimes it gets really challenging when you have your day-to-day activity, when you have kids, you have the family to take care of, and you have so many things to juggle. It gets really challenging. But you can do it. Your phone and your idea. That's it. That's it, y'all. I have nothing much to say. That's all I have to say on here. Start your channel. Start your YouTube channel. If you started like a year, 6 months ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and you see that it's not giving you the progress that you want to see, even though you are growing, but you just slowly growing, change things around. It's okay to change things around. It's your channel. It's not nobody else's channel but yours. You can control it. It's in your care. I will be checking in. I want to make sure if you have uploaded that video that you recorded and you like, I don't like it. We like it. I want to watch it. Post it. Post it. Yeah. Post it. Upload the video. Put the short. Put the long form video. Whatever you can do, do it. If you want to start off with shorts, go ahead and start off with shorts. If you want to do shorts and long form video, do it. It's your choice. No one has control over what you do on your channel. Just make sure that you stay within the guidelines of YouTube. Stay within the guidelines of YouTube and you'll be fine. But no one has control like the way you do. That's it, y'all. That's it. I just want to encourage you guys out here today. Go ahead and start that channel. And I will be updating you guys as we go on to next month or this month, I think. But they do have a threshold that you have to reach. The threshold is like $100. So if it's over $100, you will receive your monthly payment. If it's not over $100, you won't receive that payment. But how is it going to get over $100? You have to keep posting. You have to be consistent. The algorithm has to pick you up. So post that video. Do not be discouraged with your 10 views or 100 views. The influencer that you love so much today, that's how they started. So don't get discouraged. Post a video. Stay within the guidelines of YouTube. Respect the community rules. Respect the community rules. This is what's going to butter your bread. Just how you go to your job and you have rules and regulations there, YouTube does too. So in order to keep getting to the bag, you have to stay within those rules and regulations. We all can win on here. So let's do it together. I love you guys. And I'm so proud of myself for doing this car video. Until then, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.